I got 3 words for you. Canva Content Planner. And 2 more words. On mobile. Let's go. Hi creators, and welcome to another video. Today I want to explore Canva's Content Planner. And I know you've probably been using this on desktop, but have you ever thought about going mobile? Yeah, you can do all of the things that you're doing on your desktop on your mobile phone. You can create your content and then publish directly from your phone. And if you're like me, that's probably the easiest way to go. Sometimes I'm creating content on the go. So today we're going to look at how to do that. I'm going to record my phone screen and we're going to go through the whole thing together. Now before we get into it, I do ask that if you like my content, please subscribe. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more videos like this for you. And if you plan to use Canva's Content Planner, you will need Canva Pro. But no worries, I got a link that will give you this for free. It's right here in my description. You get a trial. If you love it, you keep going. If not, at least you get to create your content planner. Try it, check it out, and I can almost guarantee you, if you need content like I do, you're gonna love this. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in Canva. And this is just what it looks like on your mobile. It's very clean, still looks great. Still simple to use. And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna choose our content. So let us decide to post something on Instagram. And again, you can always click see all. And man, do they have a ton of options that you can choose, whether it's just for motivation or you're selling a product or whatever it is. You can go straight here to Canva and find something that's related to your topic. So I'm trying to find something related to like a sale or something like that. And if you can always hit search. And let's just type in sale. Search. All right, let's go with this one, summer sale. It's summertime. So just like how you would on your desktop, you're not going to do much different, just that I'm now using my pen pointer or your finger, whatever it is, to scroll and make your edit. So here we're just going to use this template. And while it loads up, you're able to see that, yeah, the template, the layout is looking just like what you would have on desktop. So if I want to make a change, I just hit it. Summer sale. Let's say we want to change the color of sale. We're just going to scroll over, hit the color here. Let's make it pink. Ooh, nice. Red. Ooh, it's nice and bright. And you know, right down here, you're going to have all your tools that you can use. Look, it's so simple. It's easy. It's just the same stuff that you would have on your desktop. You're able to format if you want. Make it italic, make it really stand out if you want. And then all those extra stuff, oops, let's just go back, just like that. You hit this plus button, and then we get our templates, uploads, elements, all these things that you would have on the left, your tools, they're all right here. So if you wanted to add an element, you just click there, and now we get all of our options that we're used to, all here in Canva. So this is just a great way for you to see how you would create your content. And let's say we're good with this. We're going to move on to that next step of scheduling. Now that we've created our content, let's now take the time to schedule. And you're going to see it's so super easy to do. Let's go. So now that we've finished creating our beautiful content, now it's time to schedule. And again, it's super easy to do. We're just going to click I want to call it our action button over here. We're going to select schedule. Now you're able to choose on your calendar where you'd like to schedule. So let's just choose tomorrow, for example. And you can also choose your time, which is great. 6 p.m. Choose your time, hit next. Next, you choose your destination. Now, one of the things you want to know is that you can schedule on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Slack, Tumblr, but Instagram, huge. We can schedule our content on Instagram Business. So you will need a Instagram business profile to schedule. So if you did select that, which I don't have one, now you are able to connect your information if you needed to. But for the purposes of this, I'm just going to use a platform that I already have. And then you'd be able to write your, copy that you'd want. So be like big summer sale. and that's how good I'm at copywriting. It's not so great. And then you hit schedule post and let Canva do its thing. And we know it doesn't take long because it's just an awesome software. So now it tells you schedule to be posted on my Facebook page, May 21 at 6:16 p.m. How cool is that? So we did all this from our phone right here in Canva. A good idea would be to create all this content from before, and then, take your time to schedule on your phone, which is great. You can also use your phone to kind of check in on your schedules. Of course, Canva has it done, but if you wanted to make quick changes, you're on the road, awesome way to do it is just go right into your Canva app and you'll be able to change it. How would you see it? So you hit menu here, content planner. You're able to see what you're going to post and when you're going to post it. So you can make your edits right here in Canva. You can change your schedule if you need to. Just hit that. And now we can edit the time. We can edit the date, edit the design. So it's so simple, so easy to do, and you did it all from your phone. And what did I tell you? Isn't that super easy, super simple, one of the shortest videos you'll ever need to start using your content planner right there on your mobile phone? I really hope this helped. And again, I do ask, please subscribe if you love my content. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more videos like this for you. And I never end without saying, thanks for watching.